Hi, this is Michael Keller, and today I'm going to go over a demo of the sensitivity of our pressure transmitter. So what I've got here is I've got a standard EJA 110E differential pressure transmitter, just your run-of-the-mill DP transmitter. It's a medium range capsule, and then I've got it hooked up to a 3-valve manifold. That's acrylic, just to show the inner workings of the manifold as a demo. And then it's hooked to a graduated cylinder that has water in it to kind of simulate a typical level application, like of a vented tank. So what this demo shows is I've got an eyedropper here, and basically I can kind of take a volume out of the liquid, and the sensitivity of the transmitter will show even the slightest change of level from me even using an eyedropper. So you can see this transmitter scaled to the thousandths of an inch. So even when I drop one droplet of water, we can detect the change in level just from that small amount, and that's due to our DP HARP unique pressure sensor. So we'll go ahead and get started. You can see it's measuring to a specific volume and holding to the thousandths of an inch. I'll take a volume out, and we'll see the level change. Let it stabilize. And then I'll put one droplet in, and you can see it change a few thousandths of an inch. And then I'll put the entire volume back, and it should return back to the original level because we put all the liquid back. Thank you very much, and we'll look forward to talking with you soon.